The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall, skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. The video I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, that video shows when persons were making cane juice. You see me? Now, I have no confirmed information if those persons made cane juice to sell to persons out there. No, I have no confirmed information about that. But however, you know, this video has been talked about on social media, and many things have been said about this video on social media, viewers and subscribers. And I'm presenting that video to you so that you can take a look at it and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the way how those persons made cane juice. You understand? I wondered if those persons made cane juice for persons to drink or for other purposes. You see me? And you see, if those persons made cane juice for persons to drink, whether if they're going to sell it to persons out there or to use at home, like drink it themselves, you see me? Then I think that the whole thing could have been dealt with better, you see me? Yeah, like hair nets should have been worn and certain gears should have been worn, you see me I say? But still, you know, even factories do certain things that are not appropriate, you know. Believe it or not, your factories will do certain things that are not appropriate according to the products that they are producing to as well. Is what I say? But that don't make it an excuse for persons to do certain things a certain way. You see me? Even if they don't make it for the public or they might make it just for themselves at home. You understand me I said to you? Now, because I don't know if those persons were making cane juice to sell to persons out there or not, I'm not going to say much about this video. So I say, but I just present the video to you so that you can tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown in the video. You see me? You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that can be heard in the video as well. Alright, so the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who goes by the name of Miriam. And she said some things that gave me the understanding that she sent words of advice to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Mr. Andrew Holness, and that she said that she's afraid to go back to Jamaica because of crime and violence within the country of Jamaica. And she said other things as well. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to some of the things that she had said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that she said. Alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
My fellow Jamaican, I am a Jamaican as well, but I live in a first world country where I am not happy with my own country. I'm not happy with what I'm hearing, which is going on in my own Jamaican country. My own Jamaica. It hurt me. It hurt my heart. It touches my heart. It ponder my heart. So much days and so much hours and so much minute. Every time I turn on YouTube, it's crime, violent, rape, killing. I'm sending this message to Mr. Andrew Michael Holness. Mr. Andrew Holness, I'm begging you, I'm pleading with you, Mr. Andrew Holness. I'm begging you now to come out now, Mr. Andrew Holness. I'm begging you now to step out, Mr. Andrew Holness. You need to step out now to stop all these crime. I'm not saying the crime is going to stop within a day, Mr. Andrew Holness. But Mr. Andrew Holness, you need to walk these ghetto community, Mr. Andrew Holness. You need to speak to all these good boys in the community before they becomes bad, Mr. Andrew Holness. All these crime and violence is not good for Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. I'm living in a first world country. And every time I turn my TV on, it's crime. Every time I'm watching YouTube, it's crime and violence. Nobody talk things out anymore. Nobody discuss about anymore. Where is the love that we used to have, Jamaica? Where is the peace that we used to have, Jamaica? Where is the unity that we used to have, Jamaica? It's no longer. It's no longer there. The churches used to get up and they be coming out and begging for peace. The churches used to travel to all the community. They used to pray for peace. They used to keep service for peace. The churches is no longer available. Where is our peace, Jamaica? Where is our love, Jamaica? Where is our unity, Jamaica? Where does it go? I want to return back to my own country to visit. And I'm scared to visit my own country. I'm scared. Every year I always return 3 times for the year. But now since 2020, I returned back January 2020. I never returned back in Jamaica. And I want to return to my own country, but I'm scared. And it's such a shame to say this. It's such a shame to say this. I have my friend that I promised that I'm going to take them to visit my country. My sweet Jamaica country. And when they watched YouTube, they came back to me and said, I thought you said Jamaica is a sweet country and Jamaica is a peaceful country. Mr. Prime Minister, I'm begging you now. You and the rest of members of Parliament and the associate, I'm asking you, please. You need to come out now, Mr. Prime Minister. You need to step out now in all this ghetto community. You need to step out and gather and make a group and beg for peace in this community, in all these community, in the ghetto community. You need to step out now, Mr. Prime Minister. All those money that you're spending towards crime and violence in Jamaica, all those money you need to go and walk into this community. You need to build build some community center. You need to build some recreation center that youths can learn, drop out can learn, young girls can learn a skill, a trade or something. You need to build some factory, Mr. Prime Minister. All these need to be done. You need to walk all these community and you need to cry for peace. You need to cry for unity in all these community. But instead of that, you're putting all these money into crime and violence. And Mr. Prime Minister, I want to say this to you. Most of these cops that is in Jamaica, they are the crime. Most of these cops that is in Jamaica, they are the bad boys as well. They are the one who's selling these bad boys guns. They are the one who's telling these bad boys who come to report about them. This is why a lot of these community that sees crime going on in their community, they are scared to talk about it. They are scared to come out to say who done it. They are scared to go to the precinct, which is the police station, to report. Because the same cops, they are the same person who is telling the bad boys who are bringing their name to the station. And most of these police, they are the one who is dressed up in plain clothes. They are the one who's committing crime. They are the one who's robbing people. They are the one who's killing people. Most of these cops, they are bad boys as well. Mr. Prime Minister, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you in the name of Jesus. I'm crying out for help for my own Jamaica. Because there's nowhere better than Jamaica. Right now I'm residing in a first world country and I'm not happy. I'm not happy because of what is going on in Jamaica. And I'm not happy because I want to travel my own country. I want to spend vacation in my own country. I want to be in my own.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, you know. I'm in name Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see? Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.